Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. Welcome back to another video. I'd like to discuss really quickly what happened to Tesla earnings. We're going to analyze some of its results and see should you buy, should you sell, and some warning signals that you should be aware of before if you want to get into Tesla. So before we get onto this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor or CPA. This is for entertainment purposes only. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get on with this video. Let me share you guys my screen. So CNBC, Tesla had earnings after market today, April 26th of 2021, and they were pretty good. Tesla posts record net income of $438 million. Revenue surges by 74%. So that's a huge number. And as well as earnings of 93 cents per share on a $10.39 billion in revenue. In its earning release, the company said it has weathered chip shortages that have plagued the auto industry in part by pivoting extremely quickly to new microcontrollers, while simultaneously developing firmware for new chips made by new suppliers. On an earnings call, CEO Musk said the delayed new version of the company's Model S sedan will be delivered starting in May of 2021, and Model X deliveries will begin in the third quarter of this year. So far so good for Tesla. It looks like it had a massive day of earnings after market closed. But looking at the chart for Tesla, so Tesla finished at $738.20, up 1.21% today. But after market close, it went down. Right now, holding on to $720. So it's now down $18, down 2.47%. So not what you are expecting. And Bloomberg also posted Tesla record profit. Bitcoin gains are met with a shrug. Tesla earned record profit in the first quarter, sidestepped an industry. So if you are invested in the automobile industry, you know that there's been a shortage of the microchips. All these chip companies, they're not getting their chips out. So there's been a problem with all their companies like GM, Neo, all the cars that have that chips. But the EV maker Tesla fell as much as 3.1%. Late trading after results were announced Monday. A sign of lofty expectation, Tesla now contends after an eightfold gain in the stock last year. So now we have to look at Tesla was up almost 700% the year of 2020. We can see here, January 2nd, 2020, it was at around $80. Now it's at $738. So in less than 1.5 years, it went from around the $80 range to now $740 and as high as $900. So that's a lot. That's a lot. And then we can also see there's the PE ratio of Tesla from 2009 to 2020. Right now, April 23rd, 2021, Tesla PE is sitting at 1,165. That's an insane number. So a good stock, the microchips company, NVIDIA, now at $619. PE ratio is 89. So usually we want to see the lower the PE ratio, the more discounted, the cheaper stock. And Tesla is at a whopping 1,165. So that's the only concern I have is the overhype. So if you're in the stock, if you're looking to get into the stock, or you're in the stock, you want to be aware of that. There's a lot of hype. Tesla is one of the most popular stock from the stock market, and I mean up 700%. So Tesla overall, very good earnings. It did drop more than 3% after market at some point. So that's my only concern. Now there's bigger expectation that Tesla has with people and the market investors. So Tesla will really have to ramp up its numbers in order to keep the stock alive. And there's been the China crisis too. People not liking Tesla so much in China over there. So that might be another problem as well. Neo is doing well in China, but Tesla's trying to compete in that space in China. So those are some reasons that maybe the stock did drop after the record earnings report from Tesla. So we have to be aware of those situations. But this week is a super earnings week. There's Google, Facebook, Microsoft, all these big companies reporting. So it should be a pretty good week this week for the overall stock market. And the Biden 100-day plan is almost coming to an end. Biden at the Congress Union speech. So with all these in mind, the stock market should be in a good position for this week. So I think the overall stock market in general will go up. And these are my thoughts on Tesla. Tesla, amazing earnings report. Very happy that since I have most of my portfolio in Tesla, that Tesla is doing good. Its deliveries, its report is great. And let me know if you have thoughts on Tesla. Are you going to buy? Are you going to sell? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.